Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to do a July 5th recap, everything that's left over. So 4th of July went awesome. We did ours on the 3rd and then just kind of did novelties on the 4th. So this is everything I got left over from this year. I have 12 electric rains. Actually, I think there's 13 in here. And then I have 7 bang bangs left in here. I didn't shoot every canister shell I had. I just saved some. All the tubes over here. There's 2 more there. The day after, or actually on 4th of July. On 4th of July, I went, Phantom had a coupon to get this for 70 bucks. So I went and bought that, and then I picked this up for like $20. So I bought those. Those will sit around for next year. Then this is everything I bought this year. I bought duplicates, or I just didn't really have a place for it in my show. So we got Palm Pyro Pageantry left over. We have Battle of Lexington. It's 19 shots. I'm not sure this is by like Shogun, I think, something like that. Shogun, Garden and Spring. Pretty sure there's a couple of those. Neon Lights. I forget who this is by. Firehawk. It just shoots like comets, something. Ionic Blinking Cloud by Phantom. That's a pretty good one, but I bought 2 of those. So we got Bump Bear, Pint Size Powerhouse, Big and Bad by Winda. We got some Color Pearls. I think we got 2 of those left. Some more Color Pearls. It's just a little bit different packaging. More Color Pearls. We got 2 of those left. And then I got one from Phantom left. Another one of these. I got Broken Heart down there. I got 2 Happy Cakes. The little ones. I got a Twitter Glitter left over. Yankee Doodle Dandy. These are like hybrid cakes. Or hybrid fountains, I should say. Kaleidoscope, same thing. Down there's a Mighty Cobra. Then a Desert at Night. And we got Air Invasion. And then we have... we got some little Copperhead mortars left over. Thunderstorm by Shogun. Solar Winds by AFW. We had 2 of these Challenger fireworks, Air Bomb and Air Invasion. This here is Gettysburg by Black Cat. We got that left over. We got 2 36-shot Happy Cakes left over, and then 2 Painted Galaxies by Phantom. We have those left over. Then some of my Skyfest Panorama shells. And then under here, get all this moved back around. Under here is a huge box of artillery shells that I had, all the different ones. So I just threw them all in this box. So we had tons of artillery shells left over. And then tons of cans left over. So we got pretty good setup already for next year. And then, like I said, my neighbors already said that, hey, you let me know next year, man, we're throwing in. So we got all them on board. They all want to invest, and which is cool, man. It's really cool. They all want to throw in, and this will be a huge community deal. So pretty excited about that. But yeah, I picked up Electric Jellyfish the other day by Pyro Planet, and then Popo Magnet. It's a nice 500 gram cake. So that's what we're gonna start out with for this year, or for next year, I should say. And then all this stuff and all the shells. So we should already have a pretty decent setup just from this. All the shells left over, and then on top of whatever we buy next year. This next year I'm going to definitely go through and buy wholesale. So I'm going to be going to American, well, the website is WF Boom, but it's Wholesale Fireworks in Hubbard, Ohio. So I'm going to be going there. It's pretty much where all these artillery shells came from, and Bang Bang and the Electric Rains. Those were really hard hitting. Those were really good. So these are actually really good too. Skyfest Panorama Shells by Phantom. If you can catch a coupon on these, they're just little tiny canister shells. Those definitely get those. Even though, yeah, it's the Purple Ghost, but those are actually really good. They were really loud, had nice big breaks. That was pretty good. And the other one that was good was Dream Team. That was Pyro Planet and Phantom together. Those were really good. But the Bang Bangs, the double break 6-inch shells, those were good. And the 5-inch Electric Rain shells, those were really good too. So if you see those, go ahead, pick those up. Right here, AFW Electric Rain. So if you find those anywhere, pick those up. Those are pretty good hard hitters. I would say they compete with just about any of the rest of them for a hell of a lot cheaper. And up here, I think you can get a case for $179 at American Fireworks. You can get a case of four packs of 12 for $179. So you can just get the whole case, and you're gonna have a pretty good show. So that's all I'm going to talk about here. Just wanted to show you guys what I had left over and what I picked up so far for the next pyro season. So we got quite a bit in here. We got a good amount of cakes left. Some pretty good stuff that I didn't shoot. Next year we're going to do the show a little bit different. We're going to exclude the fountains. I know at the beginning of my video I noticed that the whole crowd was kind of like, yeah, the fountains is kind of over and done with. We want the loud shit. So yeah, next year we're going to do the fountains for the kids like the night before the 4th, and then we're going to do all the big fireworks, you know, for like the whole town, because the whole town ended up coming over here for it, and I wasn't expecting that. It was just supposed to be like their family, my family, and a couple of neighbors. That was about it. And ended up being like the whole community. So now that they have all opted to chip in and buy more on top of like what I have here and what I'm going to buy next year, pretty much everybody has opted to throw down some money, and we should have one hell of a show at that point. With what I have right here already, would make a good show with that, and the cans there would make a pretty decent show. But with them opting to throw me a bunch of money and put a show together, it's pretty cool of them. So we're going to throw a show together next year, and it should be really good. And hopefully next year I don't botch the filming of it, and I zoom out a little bit more and have somebody else film it for me. So, all right, you guys, that's going to be the end of my video. I hope you guys had a safe 4th of July, and I'll catch you on the next video.